Another matter from the senator, our big brother Naija housemates. Now their new name be that. Yes, they don't bring another one. And this time around, they don't propose 15 years imprisonment for anyone who pay ransom to kidnappers. Bagam. I know so many of you are going to say another foolish one. Yes, so another foolish one indeed. And this one, according to Onyewuchi, he say anyone will transfer money or makes payments with an abductor, kidnapper, terrorist, name it, for the release of somebody that has been kidnapped, 15 years imprisonment. You know what they pay me for this matter? No, I don't feel relaxed. The first thing when they pay me for this matter now be say, not be say if they kidnap person, these people go do something about the matter. No, they get them. Like, it is very different. Okay, don't pay ransom to anybody. If they kidnap somebody, bring the news to us and we'll do something about it. No be even that one. They say if they kidnap, wait. If they kidnap your mother, no, I need to use people that are very relevant to us. If they kidnap your mother, or they kidnap your child, or your husband, your wife, you are supposed to sit down and cross your leg. Don't do anything about. No, in case you don't understand, because the baby grammar starts with. You are supposed to sit down and be looking. Close your legs, close your hands. Don't do anything about it. When we know that this very government and our uniform people, they are, I don't know whether to use useless. No, it's too harsh. I don't know. But they are not working. So how we supposed to sit down? You they come arrest me because I bail my mother from kidnapper hand. You they arrest me. It don't go better for anybody who don't want our progress in this life. You know, say these people don't they call us small. No, I they try relate like I did. But now these same people go pay Boko Haram for okay. No, how many cases we don't get? So students abducted. Bam. Government has paid ransom of so to bandits. So students abducted. Government have did. But now them they do. So who arrest? If there's anybody that's supposed to be arrested, by now these people they not even supposed they where they did. We're not even supposed to get president, from president to the leg, from the head to the leg. All of them supposed don't be arrested because they are even, in fact, they be the number one people where they do this same thing where they talk. If we choose to pay ransom, I consign una. Now money. I mean we can't borrow money from una. I don't just understand. My own money. Don't be say I come me to say government, I beg you, make una borrow us money. My mother has been kidnapped. This one. Instead of making una sit down, they look for a way to protect una citizens. Una go just they come outside with barbaric and exclusively nonsense news where we don't even know where una sit down. I don't ask this thing so. Who are these people's mentor? Because we need to find out the person where they give their advice. This thing is not normal anymore. Oh, Guinea. No, who come and die for because we get government. Coming from people where they negotiate with bandits. Now them they can't tell us, I bet make una start they lead by example. No come outside, they tell us all this nonsense. Government create good what is it they call it? Security reverse. May they create good security defense, a big capacity, a big waiting. No, see that they tell you every day. Must we tell you people what to do? For this one, our old age. If your brain is not working again, resign. Let people that are agile and like this thing take over so that we know where they go. Every day, different thing. They have come with this one. If not be Igbo, where they bring now 5G. If not be 5G, no. Misplaced priorities everywhere. Misplaced priorities. Make una continue. No be only kidnap. Make we see if they have kidnapped somebody from your family, pay. If that will save the person, pay. I pity una wey dey listen to these people. I just dey pity una. Your journey is still very long. Una no know. My people, na the matter be this: 15 years imprisonment if you release, abi if you pay ransom to somebody wey dey kidnap from your side. So una don hear am. What do you have to say concerning this one? Start dey drop am for that comment section as e dey hot, because me, I no dey smile. And another one wey go make me get issue with una, just click on that bell. Very important, because you no go dey get this kind thing. How you wan know wetin dey happen for your country? Just click on it so that you understand, and share this video so that our fellow brothers and sisters go know the new update concerning the Senate people. Stay tuned for our next story. Another bank wahala. Some people say na Access Bank, some people say na First Bank. I no know. When you see am, you go tell us by yourself. This man don enter bank, go scatter the whole place. Hey, wetin happen? The man come dey talk say imagine he dey save money for that bank. Before you know am, some illegal transactions just dey happen for him bank, for him account. This one don comot, that one don comot, withdrawals upon withdrawals. The man come dey wonder say, I no understand. Na so this man go bank, and the thing wey carry am go bank say no be even the fact say they don withdraw money from your account. The problem be say him pikin dey send am out of school because he no fit pay school fees. So he go bank say, oh yeah, give me money for school fees. So they say there's nothing in your account. Wahala don burst. I say I go bring a corner aside, because this man, he don go scatter the whole place. Abeg, join me, make we watch the video.
They take my money. You say I excuse you for what? I go carry talk to you for what? For over important. I call you, I go and meet one of your people here. As it was, I can't go anywhere unless I take my money today. Sorry. Hello. Is it your money? 300,000. Mo ti pàtàkì náà, mo ti kọ́ ti ṣe tọ́ mi máa bí náà ni. Nígbà wo àwọn ọlọ́tí lé kò sí, èmi kọ́ mo sọ́rọ̀ kan, ẹ̀yára mi náà wá ti stop mi nílé. Owó ìmọ̀ ti fi láti ọ̀rùn 22 kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ gbogbo náà? Ṣé mo jẹ̀bi pé kó wá sí ìwà yìí? Mo kó wá sí ìwà ṣé mo jẹ̀bi mọ́ nítorí kọ́ bàlẹ̀ máa ti mi lówó náà mo kó wá báyìí. Ẹ̀dẹ̀ kó kí lówó, owó ìmọ̀ ti sí. Kí ló dé jà? Owó ìmọ̀ ti sí àwọn ọlọ́tí lé kò sí mọ́ wá ní tí mo ti fẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ ti bàjẹ́ lọ́pẹ́ owó fún mi ni. Ṣé mo àti fún mi ní owó mi? Táwa ti fún mi ní owó mi ni màá kó mi báyìí.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
Don't touch me.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Do you understand?
You see Nigeria. I dey talk about the banks. You see Nigeria banks. Na the only language wey they understand. If you enter Nigeria bank, if na before, you can behave like somebody wey wear suit, even if you no wear suit. But now, you have to be rugged. Now the only language, violence. If you are not violence, but no, if you like, go there, they speak English. I put some money in my account and I cannot find it. You go sit down there. You need to be out here. This is the only way. See this man now, even as they do this one, at least maybe the whole money no go come out, but something, the solution must happen. They say for you to stay in Nigeria, you must be mad. If you don't have that mad title, you cannot survive. Nigeria now, that part of the Bible where they talk say the violent take it by force, bam. Now Nigeria be this. I don't know what they wrong with our bank staffs. I don't know. Something is wrong with those people. Not be the first matter be this. Many bank issues don't come up. Something is wrong with these people. Government go frustrate you. You work hard, save money, bankers still go constantly frustrate you on top. The annoying part, the thing wey even dey irritate me for these people, now that their nonchalant attitude. You will meet person for in this thing. Sorry, madam. I have noticed this. I don't know. Please, go and join the next queue. They will attend to you there. I don't understand. What is, I don't think I don't know if you even notice that thing. Now when it comes to women, women bankers, their wahala na times 10. Some of them, that the frustration they do there. Some of them they look for husband. Some of them go leave house, their husband no service them well. All that frustration and everything. Abeg make una take una time. Una go come bring the whole thing, bring akwa our side. Bam. As I dey see am now to stop the save money from bank. I no dey blame those people wey stop. They say now my backyard that they dig ground put am. Many people now na wetin they do. But how much will you dig? How much digging you want dig for? Imagine say you get like 10 million naira. No, where you want put that? We no get choice. I don't know whether we go start prayer, special prayer for these people. I don't know whether I just dey feel that man pain. Imagine they send him pikin comot. No be say no get money oh. No, try understand my English. He has money to take it now. Problem have started. You get money for Nigeria, problem. If you no get, double problem inside the same matter. I beg, I bring this thing out. I dey call on all banks. I don't say some banks. All banks. Whether you are the manager, as long as say you get title for any bank, I dey call on all of una now. I beg, do well to start treating your customers with respect and courtesy. Try am, e no go kill you. If not, I don't know where una wan make we start dey run again. We dey run from government, we go still dey run again to keep our money inside bank. Bam. Learn to treat your customers well. And I don't know whether na Access Bank, I don't know whether na First Bank. I dey call on una now, settle that man because the pikin must go back to school. Now una go dey come outside, they rush us. They bring form to fee. Please, bank with us now. Bank with us. We will give you interest. We will do this one. Now, person end up the bank with una. See how una dey treat person. No, no add to our frustrations because already Nigeria on its own is hot. No add am. I don't know who know this man, but sir, I beg, I dey very sorry for this. You understand? Very, very sorry. Just take heart. And for the school too, I beg make una take heart. So now why I do this video so that the school go know say this man no be dey lie to them as he tell them say bank issues. You understand? Very, very important. But make una help me share this video so that everybody go know wetin dey happen. And click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything when we get here for you. And why not? I still want to know wetin una think concerning this matter. If you don't experience something like this for bank too, you fit tell us. We are here to listen. Stay tuned for our next story. Person don empty in helper house all in the name of helping somebody see problem where person just carry upon himself. They say the person is wanted. His name na Stevie. But up till now we dey find the picture. I don't know why these people send me here where they no give me. But no worry because una go still see wetin I wan make una see. According to the helper himself, because now he bring this matter outside, he say, Madam Aproko, share this thing because I dey find this man. Una no go believe wetin happen to this person. He said the Stephen guy, you know these neighboring things. He say the Stephen guy na security person for his next compound. Oh yeah, he say he wan resign, but he no get where he go stay if he leave that side. He come beg this man. Say, oh God, beg. This man no wan help am. He don't think. Now so he say okay because him dog even die. Now only him and him dog they stay. So him kukuma say since this dog don't die, at least make I just take this person so that I go get company for house. And not be just for company because he decided to help the person. He help this guy now. The guy come start and stay with am. Come see problem now. The guy travel for 2 weeks. Or based on business things, he travel, leave this one for house. Say, okay, I dey go to so place. I go come back in 2 weeks' time. Take care of the house. Omo, take care of the house, don't turn wahala. As the helper travel. Now, so this Steven person, he carry fridge, he carry microwave, even mattress, even remove curtains for the house. Even just for this oga to come back. Now only house key. Dey with her like this as I dey talk to una. Okay, they forgive her, they even leave pillow. Not even that one, they make me laugh now. This TV guy, you know, You know, as husband, if you dey comot, you go leave note for your wife. He even write note, he end down with I love you. Abeg, I bring a call aside. I want make una see am with una own eye. I no fit read the letter. You go see am for that side by that side. Put the video, better watch.
Guys, okay, I used to have a fridge here. Then he ran off with the fridge. You can see the signs that something used to be here. He used to occupy this space before now. Alright, so you can see that he ran off with the electronics here. You can see he ran off with the electronics here. He left this place empty and desolate. Okay. Now you can see the sign. I used to have a deep freezer here because the deep freezer cannot stay in the kitchen, so it used to be here back in the day. So he ran off with the deep freezer, and there was a microwave that I used in microwaving that used to be here. Then he left the house in a total mess and ran off. Then he left me this note. This is the note I sent in the video. You can see the notes for yourself. This is the note I sent in the video. He left me this note, run off with my laptop. Then this is one of the rooms in the house. This room, he left this room in this manner, ran off, removed the TV that used to be in this room.
Abeg, make una forgive me. Now the letter they make me dey laugh. So this guy get time. You sit down. You write letter. You even put I love you for the air like say na your girlfriend you dey write it. Now this one we dey call if biting the fingers that fed you was a person. Now be this. Person help you. You had nowhere to go. You had nothing. This guy took you inside. Now, see how he pay am back. Bam. I bet the I know we forget that one. The I love you one I see now for me. I've been now for another person. Hey, nothing we no go see for this life. Oh. Una see why if person decide say you no go help, they go start to call am winch. They go say he be wizard. They go say you too wicked. Una go start to blame am anyhow. Person like this now, make una tell me. As he do this one, he good. I don't just understand. Like our problem for this world, like now I don't even feel place my hand on a particular thing because it don't increase. It don't increase. Tomorrow, if this guy will help this security person and decide not to help person, I go say na evil. Una go start to tag them with different names. Anyways, I dey here to advise una. Now I'm advice. I be una no want my advice. Oh yeah, I know say una want that. No stop the help. I don't say many of una go. Oh my Aproko, you dey craze. How you go tell this one with this one will happen? Relax. Una blood too dey hot. Wait till they try to una be say. First of all, make I ask you, how you go feel if because of somebody person refuse to help you? First of all, okay, now una dey see. Now una don't dey reason with me. Imagine if because as this guy don't empty this one house, you where they watch me, you meet this same guy now. You meet him for road, say, oh God, better help me. How you go feel if because of that security man, this man say, no, I cannot. Now why they talk say no stop they help people? My advice now be say, help people, but from a distance. Don't allow them enter your house. No matter the thing, find some way, help them, but please from a distance. For instance, you see me like this. If person asks me, Madam Aproko, borrow me some money, I dey first study you. I dey first check you. I go even weigh you for scale of preference. Yes, so you know what I do? I go look for, if you ask me for instance, 100K, I go look for 10,000 naira, give you. I go tell you say no be borrow. You know why? Wisdom. I don't want the one where time to pay me now. Now me go even start the call police on top my money. So I help in a way I can help. No go help person all in the name of hey, you go cut your neck or you enter prison too because you help. No, look am. If this guy meets this security now, kill him. No be prison, you don't go. You help person, you end up they go prison. Help in a way you can help. No go do, I want people to see that I'm a good Samaritan. Okay, you go end up for Jerusalem. Continue to do good Samaritan, good Samaritan. This small way you feel do am. Now what I don't learn from this life, experience. I hope say my advice go feel lead you na somewhere. Abi you no help una. Me na so they do. So I don't bring una the one way they work for me. So as e be now, my people they find Steven. But the picture make una no worry. I don't ask them for picture. I don't know how we won't take know who be Steven Kwanu. Abi anybody when we see for road, your name is Steven, you're under arrest. I don't know, but I will still find the Steven person because this matter. We they go down together. Very, very important. So I beg, make una help me share this video so that everybody go know wetin they share. Maybe some people know the house, some people understand. Now from one thing they bring another thing. Steven go still come out. And very soon. Now yet una go still know who be the Steven and wetin be the update concerning the matter. Now why if you never subscribe, you are sitting on a long tail. And don't forget to drop your comment because I want to know what you think concerning this matter. Whether you don't experience same thing or same thing happen to person where you know. Why not tell us for that comment section? Stay tuned for our next story.